Hello and welcome to my Slow English podcast. Take your time and listen carefully. Today I'm sitting outside in my camping chair. It's a beautiful day and I want to teach you how to introduce yourself. My name is Akın. I am 29 years old and I live in Turkey. My hometown is Adana, but I work in a different city of the country. I'm an English teacher. I am married and my wife is a maths teacher. We work together at the same school. As you can see, I am surrounded by white trees. I love being in the nature. I enjoy sitting here because it's very quiet, the air is fresh and clean. After a long day of teaching, I like to relax in my camping chair. Do you like the mountains or do you prefer the city? In my free time, I have many interests. I'm a digital content creator and also I love making these videos for you. I also enjoy playing table tennis with my wife, but right now I enjoy drinking my favorite drink. I love Turkish coffee. It's a traditional drink and it has a very strong taste. Do you like the coffee? Tell me in the comments. Before I go, let's look at one word, peaceful. Peaceful means calm, quiet, and without any stress. For me, the nature is very peaceful. What is peaceful place for you? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, Slow English Flow. I will see you in the next video. Bye.